How to fix Safari not opening. So one of the ways to fix that problem, you can just go ahead to your settings, scroll a little bit down till you find Safari. Next up, I'm gonna just click on the Safari, scroll a little bit down till we find the clear history and website data. And I'm gonna just go ahead right here into clearing the history, and that should help at least take some of the load offs inside the Safari. If that didn't work out for you, we gotta just close this window, just go ahead to the hide IP address, and what you're gonna do, you gotta just toggle it off, and that should fix the problem of your Safari not opening. If that didn't work out for you, what you gotta do, you gotta just go back to your settings, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead right here into the general. In the general, what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna just go ahead to the software update and make sure that your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, so you can actually get access to all the new features. But if you updated your Safari and everything, and you did all these steps and still didn't work out for you, just go back to your settings, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead to the cellular. In the cellular, you're gonna see the apps that are allowed to be used by the cellular data or your data, and as you can see, you will find right here probably that your Safari is not one of these apps that you can use even if you are using your mobile data. So make sure that you toggle this one on so you can actually get access to use the Safari, and that should fix your problem. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.